Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ton coin from ByBit to your Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now on ByBit, you want to go ahead to your assets, and on assets you want to click withdraw option. From here you're going to search for the crypto, so you're going to search for Ton coin, and now from here you're gonna go ahead and need an address basically. So I'm just gonna choose the network ton. As you can see, the fee is 0.1 ton, so like 50 cents. And after that, the minimum withdrawal is 0.2 ton. The address would be your Telegram wallet's address. So you're gonna go to your Telegram, click on more assets and click on Ton coin, and you're gonna click receive option. So to this address, you can only receive your ton. So make sure you choose this one. You're going to copy the address and go back to ByBit, enter the address here. And after that, the memo is not required. As you can see, it's optional. This is only for this specific case because in some other exchanges, for example, if you would transfer from ByBit to Binance, you would need a memo. But as Telegram wallet, Timekeeper wallets, and so on and so forth, they never require a memo. They don't have one. So it's an optional, as you may see. Now you're going to enter the amount you want to transfer and click withdraw. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.